$1 million. It's the magic number that screams wealth, freedom, and the good life. But in today's world, what does $1 million actually get you when you're chasing luxury? From penthouses with skyline views to private islands bathed in turquoise waters, the answer depends on where you look. Let's take a global tour to explore what $1 million buys in the luxury market across iconic cities and exotic destinations. Buckle up, this is the high life reimagined for 2025. New York City, USA, a slice of skyline sophistication. New York City is the heartbeat of ambition, where luxury comes with a jaw-dropping price tag. For $1 million, you're not landing a sprawling penthouse in Manhattan's elite neighborhoods like the Upper East Side or Tribeca. Those start at $5 million and climb fast. Instead, your million secures a chic, compact condo in a prime area, perfect for a pied-à-terre or a single professional. Think a 700 square foot one-bedroom apartment in a luxury high-rise in Midtown or the financial district. You'll get floor-to-ceiling windows with views of the Empire State Building, sleek finishes like marble countertops, and access to amenities like a rooftop pool, 24/7 concierge, and a state-of-the-art gym. Buildings like 1 Penn 1 or 200 Amsterdam offer such units, blending modern design with Manhattan's electric vibe. Monthly maintenance fees, $1,500, $2,000, and taxes are extra, so budget wisely. London, UK, historic charm meets modern elegance. In London, $1 million, about £800,000 in 2025, doesn't stretch far in the ultra-luxe market of Mayfair or Kensington, where prime properties start at £2 million. But it's enough to secure a stylish 1 or 2 bedroom flat in a desirable neighborhood like Marylebone or Notting Hill. Picture a 600 square foot apartment in a renovated Georgian building with high ceilings, sash windows, and herringbone wood floors. Modern touches like smart home systems and underfloor heating keep it contemporary, while a communal garden or porter service adds that quintessential London flair. For something new, consider a one-bedroom in a development like Battersea Power Station, where you'll enjoy river views, on-site cinemas, and trendy bars. These flats often come with gyms, pools, and 24-hour security catering to young professionals or retirees. If you prefer space over centrality, a 3-bedroom townhouse in up-and-coming areas like Clapham or Fulham is within reach. Dubai, UAE, glitz and glamour in the desert. Dubai is synonymous with over-the-top luxury, and $1 million, roughly 3.67 million AED, buys a serious slice of it. In downtown Dubai, home to the Burj Khalifa, you can snag a spacious 2-bedroom apartment, 1,200, 1,500 square feet, in a high-end tower like Burj Al Arab or The Address. Expect panoramic views of the Dubai Fountain, infinity pools, private cinemas, and concierge services that arrange everything from yacht charters to desert safaris. These properties are built for extravagance, with gold-accented interiors, Italian marble, and smart home tech. Alternatively, you could opt for a 3-bedroom villa in a gated community like Dubai Hills Estate. These come with private gardens, access to golf courses, and proximity to Dubai Marina's nightlife. Dubai's tax-free environment means your million goes further. No property taxes or capital gains to worry about. The lifestyle is unmatched. Dine at Michelin-starred restaurants, shop at the world's largest mall, or relax on Jumeirah Beach. Paris, France. Timeless romance in the city of light. In Paris, $1 million, about 950,000 euros, buys a taste of joie de vivre in the world's most romantic city. Central arrondissements like the 1st, Louvre, or 7th, Eiffel Tower, are pricier, but your budget secures a charming 700 square foot 1-bedroom apartment in the 6th, Saint-Germain-des-Prés, or 9th, Opera. Think Haussmannian buildings with wrought iron balconies, parquet floors, and ornate moldings. Modern upgrades like open-plan kitchens and spa-like bathrooms blend old-world charm with 21st century comfort. For more space, a 2-bedroom flat in the Marais, 4th arrondissement, offers cobblestone street views, proximity to chic cafes, and vibrant nightlife. These apartments often include access to private courtyards or rooftop terraces. Paris's luxury lifestyle is about culture and cuisine. Stroll along the Seine, visit the Louvre, or savor croissants at a patisserie. Cape Town, South Africa, coastal opulence on a budget. Cape Town offers incredible value for luxury seekers with $1 million, around 18 million ZR, unlocking jaw-dropping properties. In exclusive neighborhoods like Camps Bay or Clifton, you can buy a 3-bedroom oceanfront villa, 2,500 square feet, with sweeping views of Table Mountain and the Atlantic. These homes boast infinity pools, outdoor braai areas, and floor-to-ceiling glass to maximize the scenery. Interiors feature African-inspired design, think teak wood, stone accents, and open layouts. Alternatively, a penthouse in the V&A waterfront offers urban sophistication, with private terraces, marina views, and access to yacht clubs. Cape Town's lifestyle is a blend of adventure and elegance. Hike Lion's Head, sip Chenin Blanc at Stellenbosch Vineyards, or dine at world-class restaurants like La Colombe. Low property taxes and a favorable exchange rate make your millions stretch further, though security systems are a must in high-end areas. Bali, Indonesia, tropical serenity and private retreats. In Bali, $1 million, about 15.5 billion IDR, buys a slice of tropical heaven. In upscale areas like Canggu or Uluwatu, you can purchase a luxurious 4-bedroom villa, 3,000 square feet, with a private infinity pool, rice-field views, and Balinese architecture. Think open-air pavilions, teak furniture, and lotus ponds. These properties often include staff quarters for live-in help, a perk for vacation homes or rentals. Gated communities like the Amala offer security and amenities like yoga studios and organic cafes. For a unique twist, your million could buy a boutique hotel or villa complex in Seminyak, generating income through Airbnb, 6 to 10% returns. Bali's luxury lifestyle is about zen and indulgence. Surf at Echo Beach, meditate at Ubud's yoga retreats, or dine at beachfront spots like Potato Head. The Maldives, a private island fantasy. For the ultimate splurge, $1 million in the Maldives buys a private island or a stake in one. Small leasehold islands, 25-50 years, in atolls like Ba or Nunu offer 2 acres of pristine beachfront, perfect for a custom villa or eco-retreat. You'll get turquoise lagoons, coral reefs, and total seclusion. Think overwater bungalows, private chefs, and jet ski docks. Co-ownership models, like those offered by Manta Resorts, let you share costs while enjoying exclusive access. Alternatively, a 3-bedroom overwater villa in a luxury resort like Soneva Yani is within budget, with infinity pools, glass floors for reef views, and butler service. The Maldives' lifestyle is pure escapism. Dive with manta rays, sip cocktails at sunset, or practice yoga on your deck. Maintenance and lease fees are steep, and climate risks, rising seas, require due diligence. But for a vacation home or rental investment, nothing screams luxury like your own island. What unites these options is the lifestyle they unlock, access to culture, nature, and indulgence tailored to your tastes. But luxury comes with caveats. Maintenance costs, taxes, and market fluctuations can eat into your budget. Whether you're investing for returns or chasing a dream home, research and local expertise are key. $1 million isn't what it used to be, but in the right place, it's still a ticket to the extraordinary. Where would you spend yours?